Second guessing steals your time and confidence. 8 affirmations for decisive action. Let's start. I am decisive. I am decisive. I can trust my choices. I can trust my choices. I make quick decisions. I make quick decisions. People respect my certainty. People respect my certainty. Every day I doubt myself less. Every day I doubt myself less. Today I trust my judgment. Today I trust my judgment. I am sure. I am sure. I stick with my choices. I stick with my choices. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.